everyone? Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review. First off, Happy New Year, guys. I apologize that it's been a little bit since we got some videos and I missed a couple of days in my regular upload schedule. Just kind of got really busy towards the end of the year, and I unfortunately just didn't have time to make any more unboxing videos and or to get stuff uploaded. So you're gonna see this video here hopefully soon. I think probably you'll be seeing this on Saturday the 11th. And then I have another video that I filmed last year that's gonna be coming out on Monday, which is I think the 13th or something. Something like that. Monday the 13th. And then you're going to be seeing a bunch of other unboxing videos coming out the following Mondays, and potentially some Saturdays in there as well. And then hopefully some spotting videos thrown in the mix on some Fridays. But with that being said, let's get right on into it. I'll talk a little bit more about what's going on channel-wise after or towards the end of this video. But let's go ahead with this ngmodels Delta Airlines 737-800 with the splits. This is an older model in a sense of an older release. It's December 2023, so it's well over a year old. I finally was able to pick this up. I just didn't get it at the time, and Delta is slowly retrofitting all of its 738s with the splits now. It's interesting. Melbourne, Florida, where I used to live, that Orlando Melbourne International Airport has SDS Mod Center, and they actually do some of the split scimitar installments there, which is pretty cool. They started that after I left there, but nonetheless, it's still cool to know they're going down there to do that. But yes, slowly but surely, their fleet's been getting the splits added on, so it's pretty cool. You know, United was obviously the first in the U.S. with the splits. Then I think Alaska followed, and now Delta's finally following along. It's interesting that American, apart from the Maxes, which obviously come with the splits, with the new sort of splits, the Max splits, built in, that American has not yet added splits to any of their 737-800 fleet. Maybe that's just due to the fact that maybe they're going to all be replaced with Maxes at some point. I don't know. But, and Southwest. I forgot. Southwest, I think. So it was United first, and then I believe it was Alaska, and then Southwest. Southwest might have been second in line. I don't remember. But either way, Delta is now the most recent here in the U.S. to throw the splits on their aircraft. So yeah, anyways, let's get right on into it. Very nice, interesting box. I love this box design, this box art. This is November 374 Delta Alpha. Good old NG box art, very nice. So yeah, let's get right on into it. It's gonna be a pretty simple review. There's not a whole lot. I've already taken the cards out of these to redeem the points. But yeah, here's the model. Let's take a look at what we've got. Ooh, that looks sharp. All right. All right. So here we have the aircraft. This looks absolutely fantastic. Again, it's just a regular Delta 738. The only difference is the splits, but the splits really do look sharp, and they do add to it. Considering Delta 737-900s got the splits first, and then their 800 fleet didn't have splits. It's really nice to see them adding on the splits to the 800s, just for I guess commonality, and it just looks so much better, and then fuel efficiency as well, obviously all the benefits. So let's get right on into it. Up front, the usual details of an ngmodels 737-800 mold, the excellent cockpit shape, the gear door with 3704 on the gear door. The wheels looking fantastic. Great detail around here. Sky Team logo. The door with the excellent little imprints, right, or little decals right there. The Delta logo, Delta titles. Let's have the L1 door looking really, really good. And moving along, great details all along here. Yeah, the antenna at the top, the overwing exits, and the exit markings. And then here we go. Here we have the splits looking very, very nice. ngmodels does a excellent job of the splits in my opinion. They're much sharper and better than the Gemini ones. But yeah, the wings look fantastic as well. You have the antenna and the Wi-Fi. I believe that's the Wi-Fi dome on top there. American flag and registration. 374 Delta Alpha right there. Aft door there. Horizontal stabilizer, and then the tail fin looking fantastic with the 3704 right there. Spinning it around, got the cargo door right there, and right there, little baggage door. Engines looking really good. The CFM engines, CFM 56s right there. Top down. And of course, Delta belly. My favorite part about the new sort of updated Delta livery is the Delta belly. It's looking fantastic there. Got a couple antennas right here on the bottom. The gear is also really good. Also awesome. And rolling and fine. Yeah, so excellent detail. A very solid model by NG. And they've done a great job with this as well. So yeah, with this, the model sitting here and the review pretty much done. If you're watching this video, hopefully you are. As I say, Happy New Year again. There's going to be another video that you'll see that was from last year that's going to be posted after this video. And then you're going to see some other reviews coming out in the future. These are all models that I've had. I've just not had the time to review last year. I'm still getting models too in this new year. There's a bunch that I have that are on back order, and I'm just waiting to get them. So the collection continues to grow, as always. But yeah, it's just a matter of finding the time to make all these videos and get them up and everything. It's pretty hectic too. I got a lot going on with work and everything else outside of that. So I do apologize that I've been a little inconsistent with the uploads and everything. I go a period with some regular uploads and then I go a period without. I'll try and do a little bit better this year, but again, I don't make promises really when it comes to this sort of stuff because I know things change and sometimes I'm just not able to meet meet a promise. So anyway, I just kind of decided that I'll just go with the flow and upload when I can, etc. But I do hope that this year to make more spotting videos. That's probably where I've been lacking the most on my channel in recent times, and that's partially due to the fact that it's a little harder for me to get out spotting just given my location now. Indianapolis is the closest major airport to me, and it's about an hour, a little over an hour away. So to go down there, it can be a bit much sometimes. But I do hope to make it over there more often this year, as well as hopefully doing some spotting at the airport that I actually work at right now, in the corporate side of things. As the weather gets warmer, it's a bit cold and a bit too chilly for me to be out spotting right now per se at the time of making this video. But with that being said, I do hope this year there's going to be more plane spotting and more flying videos actually. Obviously more model unboxing and review videos are going to come too as I continuously get more models. But I do hope to make more actual flying videos. I've got a new GoPro and stuff, and as the year goes on, I hope to be able to record some more of my flying, mainly for fun, obviously, just flying to new places in small GA aircraft. So I hope to be able to film those and put some cool videos together like I have done in the past with the one video I did down in Florida. But yeah, guys, so that's kind of a little channel update. I'll kind of title this as a model unboxing and review, but with a little channel update at the end, just for you guys to kind of know what's going on. So for those that have stuck around and continue to watch, I appreciate that, and I look forward to obviously having you guys to support me throughout 2025. And with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please, if you did enjoy this, like and subscribe, And follow for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.